Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have the Flair Smart Vent. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all guys, what this is a smart vent. It basically runs off a thermostat, which is a puck in each room, or a smart sensor in each room, and as soon as that sensor senses that your settings are different than what you've set, whether you want it hotter or colder, so for example, right now this is set to 72, it's 74 degrees in here, so this is open because it's cooling down to 72 or below. As soon as this hits 72, this is going to close. I'll show you an example of that in just a second. All right, so what you just saw, what you just heard was this vent closing because it reached the right temperature. Now this vent is closed, no more air is coming through it, okay? And other vents in the house might still be open. And what makes this super awesome is now my whole house isn't using air, okay? So what I've experienced is during like the summer, for example, it'll be really, really hot upstairs and really cold downstairs. Or it's hot in the whole house, but the downstairs is a little bit colder, but still not where I want it to be. So maybe my downstairs is 73 degrees and my upstairs is 85. And I want my downstairs room to be 70. If I turn on all my vents normally, what would normally happen and what would happen before I got my smart vents, which was a game changer in my household because I have a 3-story townhouse, is my downstairs floor, I'd only want to change it by 3 degrees, but my ecobee sensors in the top floor, it would tell my house that I need to change it down from 15 degrees. So what would happen is the air conditioner would run for an hour or 2 hours to get the upstairs from 85 down to 70, and my downstairs floor would go from 73 down to like 62 because the air conditioner was just running so long. Or I'd have to sit there and turn my air conditioner on and off, throughout the day to make sure that didn't happen. Super inconvenient, super annoying. And they used a lot more air conditioning, used a lot more electricity. I've saved about 30 to 40% of my electricity bill since having these because guess what happens now? Now my upstairs, when the air conditioning is on during the summer, this stays closed. It doesn't even open. So I'm not wasting air up there. I'm not going to be up there. Why do I want to waste my air conditioner if I'm not going to be up there until after 7 o'clock at night? You can also set schedules where, for example, just in that same example, if at 7 p.m. I know I'm going to be upstairs, I can set this at 6:50 to turn on, start cooling that, and maybe close the vents downstairs instead. So that's the amazing thing and my favorite thing about this, guys, is just the fact that I can have different zones in my house opening and closing at different times. It senses if you're in the room or not. And why waste energy cooling your kitchen and your upstairs when you know you're mostly going to be downstairs during the day, or vice versa. If you're going to be upstairs during the evening, why are you heating or cooling your basement? It doesn't make any sense, and this allows you the freedom and the ability to save the energy, make your house more comfortable because it is so much more comfortable, guys, using this. I don't have to sit there on my phone and micromanage my system anymore. And it's just, while one thing's running, another thing's not, and it's not wasting energy all day long. I'm going to show you the app real quick. It's super simple, super easy to use. And what you're seeing on the screen is you're seeing, for example, the living room's set to away, the office is set to away, the bedroom 1, bedroom 2 are both at 72, and the bedroom 3 is at 66. The thermostat during the day is set to about 68-ish, so right now it's not even running. But let's just say later on someone sets it to 73. What's going to happen is the office and the living room, if those are still out of way, they're not going to open. The bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, they're going to open up until they reach 72. And then that bedroom 3 will close when it's at 66. So as you can see, you can set different rooms to different temperatures, and those vents are going to open to different settings, or if you're away, it's not going to affect that room. Pretty awesome. I just love this product. It's probably my best investment I've made in the last 3 to 5 years on my house. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.